Tesla's autonomous driving strategy is evolving, and it no longer hinges solely on the European Union's approval. Recent developments indicate that Tesla is making significant headway country by country, as seen by Denmark's recent decision to grant provisional approval for full self-driving, FSD. This makes Denmark the fourth European country to approve FSD after the Netherlands, Lithuania, and Estonia. While the EU at large has yet to give its nod, Tesla's approach is proving effective. Elon Musk recently announced progress on Tesla's AI6 chip, expected to be completed by the end of 2026. This chip aims to challenge NVIDIA's current flagship, the Blackwell B200, and could potentially set benchmarks for the highest usable intelligence from a single wafer. With the anticipation of a booming AI chapter, predictions from analysts like Dan Ives suggest that Tesla could reach a $3 trillion valuation, largely fueled by advancements in AI rather than just vehicle sales. Let's delve into the FSD updates. The approval in Denmark is a pivotal moment. Each country approval not only expands Tesla's reach but transforms FSD into a vital revenue source. Unlike car sales, FSD operates on a subscription model with higher margins. As more countries embrace FSD, the value of Tesla's installed vehicle base, already significant, is amplified. This base is not merely about selling more cars, but rather about monetizing those already on the roads, making each approval a financial advantage. Now, shifting focus to the AI6 chip, Tesla's strategy reflects a commitment to developing its own technology instead of relying on third-party suppliers like NVIDIA. This in-house approach is crucial as it allows Tesla to tailor its chips specifically for autonomous driving and other applications like robots and data centers. The ambition is to not only enhance Tesla's AI capabilities but also to create a competitive edge in the market. The timeline for these developments is aggressive. By 2026, as both the FSD approvals ramp up and the AI6 chip is near completion, Tesla aims to position itself at the forefront of the AI revolution. The combined efforts in FSD and chip development highlight a transition where Tesla could emerge as a leading software company that designs and utilizes cars for service rather than merely manufacturing them. The next pieces of the puzzle are essential to understand. The strategy of moving forward with approvals on a country-by-country basis is deliberate. Even though this method may seem slower compared to seeking EU-wide approval, it allows for gradual, sustainable growth. Each country that approves FSD becomes a new revenue stream for Tesla, ultimately stacking up to significant returns over time. In terms of differentiation, the ambition to develop autonomous driving chips in-house means creating a technological moat around Tesla's offerings. If successful, the AI6 chip will not only minimize the company's reliance on NVIDIA but will also signal to the market that Tesla can innovate independently. The potential for long-term profitability from this approach is immense if executed correctly. Another vital aspect is the installed base of FSD-ready vehicles. Every Tesla with FSD-capable hardware is a potential subscriber, creating avenues for continuous revenue through subscriptions and updates. For current Tesla stakeholders, these updates reflect incremental victories that indicate a robust future. With each country's approval, the path becomes clearer, showcasing that if Tesla can keep momentum, it's on a trajectory that could redefine its market valuation and operational structure. For those keeping an eye on FSD progress, Denmark's approval serves as a beacon for what might come next in the Scandinavian region and beyond. As more countries consider similar approvals, the momentum may compel the EU to reconsider its stance on FSD vents. Lastly, regarding the upcoming competition in AI chips, the contest between Tesla's AI6 and NVIDIA's technology promises to be a significant focal point in the industry over the next few years. While the landscape is competitive, the true test lies in execution. The risks are tangible, as FSD approvals will likely ebb and flow, and the AI6 chip development is still a few years off. Yet, if Tesla can navigate these challenges successfully, the prospects of reaching a $3 trillion valuation are within reach. So, what are your thoughts? Will Tesla's country-by-country strategy ultimately prompt the EU to act, or will regulators continue to maintain their stance? I'm interested in your viewpoints, so be sure to share them in the comments. Remember to subscribe for further insights on Tesla's ventures in AI, self-driving technology, and what the future holds.